You know what's really fun? Spending actual time to like try and get your hair to do something, and after all of it, it's in a ponytail. It's not that fun. What's up, guys? Welcome back on a very chilly and snowy day. Oh my gosh. There's my window, and then this much of it is snow right now. It is actually, in fact, a snow day for my 3 kids. Yes, we have 3 kids home right now and I'm attempting to film. It's so fun. So I figured we'd do something a little bit more casual, a little bit more chit-chatty, and do another roundup, the final roundup of 2021. And I feel like these are good videos to do, whether it's the end of the year or it's like every 6 months, 3 months, something like that. Let me know what you guys think, but I feel like doing a wrap up and also sort of an update. Not a wrap up, that's not what I meant. Sharing the products that I continue to use, what I have tried again, maybe tried it in different ways and it still doesn't work for me, or maybe I found a way that it does, because these are all products that TikTok and Instagram made me buy. And if you missed any of these videos, I will link the full playlist for you so you can go and check them out. But now let us dive into... What was that? My phone like had a moment there. You good? But yes, products. So let's start with some makeup, and I'm going to start with a product that I didn't think was going to be a good fit for me and ended up being amazing. And that's this like Revlon Volcanic roll. Did I make that up? Did I just say Volcanic and just like, I don't know where that came from. Volcanic seems wrong, and yet I said it, so. Anyway, it's this oil roller, and you basically just roll it over anywhere on your skin that you're feeling a little bit on the oily side, and it eliminates any of that oiliness. It's so cool. And I don't get super oily, but like, you know, there are days where it's just like I ventured beyond the world of like glowy makeup and I start looking a little greasy, and it's like, okay, that's enough, Rachel. I haven't noticed it like budging my makeup at all or smearing it or anything like that. You do need to wash it every once in a while. It says like after every use. I haven't done that. But you do need to kind of take it apart, wash it, kind of get rid of any of the oils or makeup or whatever is on there. And that way it's just gonna be of its best use, you know? But this surprised me. It was a really good one. This is the 3rd bottle that I have bought of the NYX Marshmallow Primer. That's how obsessed I am. It smells a little reminiscent of candy, or not candy, but like just sweets in general, but more in a creamy way. I kind of get where they're going with the whole like marshmallow vibe, but I just find like it works really well for any of the foundations that I put on. My skin just looks so much better. I feel like it like fills in pores a little bit. I also use it under my eyes for like priming that area too. It's a good tip. Priming your under eyes, that's a thing. I feel like more people need to do that. But this, love it. I'm gonna breeze past some of these products a little because I have talked about them at length in the 2021 kind of like wrap up of makeup favorites. But I did really like the ABH Brow Freeze. I found that worked really well for my like very unruly brows that like don't want to do anything. Another one I'm kind of including in the makeup world, but it is more of a serum. It's the Glow Recipe Niacinamide Dewdrops. A lot of people were using these all over the skin for like super intoxicatingly glowy skin. So I did that a ton, especially in the summertime. I feel like I use this a lot, even just on its own for like really glowy looking skin. But I also like to use it sometimes. I will pick up a little bit with a sponge and then dab it over like the high points of my skin for a really soft glow kind of a look, and it's really pretty too. This has been fantastic. I can see why everyone is obsessed with it. A product that was really hyped up and everyone seems to love except me is a concealer, and I don't understand. It's the Hourglass Vanish Concealer, and this was just something that everyone fell in love with. It's supposed to give this beautiful like blurred look to the skin, super high coverage, creamy consistency, and it's supposed to be fantastic under eyes on top of any acne spots or any redness or anything that you want to cover. This is going to be your go-to. So I tried it, didn't like it. For me, I just found like it settled into any fine lines. It looked really dry on my skin, especially by end of day. It was just very like heavy looking. I've tried it since then. I tried it with a different powder as well as a different setting spray as well to kind of like dab on top. Nothing. It wasn't for me. Ooh, the next one. I've been labeling everything as either like really good or really bad for me. This one is so down the middle, and I have to talk about it because it's been sold out everywhere for like ever since it launched, and everyone loves it. It's the best blush they've ever used. It's amazing. It's the Charlotte Tilbury High Blush in Pinkgasm, and it's a pretty blush. Do not get me wrong. It is a lovely, lovely blush. I will show you guys. So pretty. So pretty. It has a nice sheen. It blends out nicely. It's nice. But like, I have other blushes I will continue to reach for more than this one. And I don't know if it's just the fact that it is more shine than color, maybe. I'm not sure, but whatever it is, I don't find myself reaching for that one as much as some of my other ones, like my Nude Sticks ones. I love those stick blushes. They're incredible. This one, again, it's pretty. Don't get me wrong, but I feel like it's nothing to write home about, you know? I'm gonna use it because I have it, but to me, there are other products from Charlotte Tilbury that I think are better. Okay, let's go. Oh, let's make a quick mention of this lip gloss that was supposed to be almost like a dupe for the, you know, the Tom Ford, the super sparkly lip gloss that's been going around that everyone has on. It's like pretty and reflective and whatever. So somebody told me that this was gonna be a good dupe and your lips are gonna look all fun and pretty, and no. It is the Essence Glimmer Glow lipstick. This is a color changing lipstick. It has all these like pretty sparkles in it. You can't see that, hang on. Ooh, pretty sparkles. The issue I have with this that I didn't realize when I was buying it, it has like flakes of hollow in it. And I honestly don't even think Christine will approve of this. This would be a really pretty nail top coat, but it doesn't look good on the lips. It's just a gloss and there are like chunks of flake all over. No, it's not a look, it's not a vibe, not a scene we want to participate in. Oh, you know what? I hadn't even thought of including this, but it's a clothing item, and I think it is the #1 product from the links that I have ever seen. So many of you clicked on this link and bought this shirt, and for good reason, because it is bomb. Hang on, technically there are two and they're both Amazon and they're like dupes for Skims and things like that. Hold on, I need to go get them because they are incredible. Okay, this one, this is the first one I want to talk about. It's by Reoria? I don't know, doesn't matter. I will link it so you guys can go and check it out. They have a bunch of different colors. This is a bodysuit and it is so well made. It is nice, thick quality, double lined, like buttery soft material, like very Skims-esque. The cut is so super flattering. You can still wear like a strapless bra with it without any issues at all. It is among my most comfortable bodysuits. It doesn't like ride up or anything like that. Like a super normal back, you know, it's not like a thong or anything, but it is so flattering. It is so comfortable. Like you need to buy them. You need to buy them right now. They're amazing. The other one is this one. This one is, I don't even know what brand it is, but I will find out which one I bought and I will link that one specifically. They again also had a bunch of different colors. It is not the same material as the Reoria one. It's a lot softer, but it's one of those like mid kind of turtleneck ones. I wore it in a video, so I will link that so you guys can see, but it is again really flattering. You can wear a strap, like a full strap bra, no issues at all. Again, flattering, really, really comfy material. I got this like hunter green one. So pretty. I was wearing it a lot at like Christmas time, you know. Also a bodysuit, also amazing. I love it. Smack myself in the face with a hanger and don't even care. It's amazing. Wow, I like really switched gears there. So while we're at it, I want to talk about this necklace. I bought a couple of different things off of Amazon in the jewelry world, and some of them I bought and I didn't love for like, especially earrings, like wearing for a long period of time. I found that to be like aggravating a little, but this chain has held up so well. It hasn't discolored. It's a nice, like a good quality. It hasn't fallen, like the clasp hasn't like gone loose or anything like that. It's just a really nice necklace. It's not like I'm sure you can find them elsewhere as well, but I really like it and I got it off Amazon because I saw it on TikTok. The jewelry that I have found on Amazon, sometimes it's incredible and sometimes we're like, oh, really? We're gonna do that? Next up is a nail product. And this is the only product out of all of these that I'm like, yes, this is awesome. Yes, I would recommend it. And no, I can't use it. And that is, believe it or not, the Jelly Stamper. Now I know what you're thinking, Rachel, why would you recommend something that you cannot use on yourself? Let me explain. So when I tested this on myself, I was kind of looking for it to see if I could do it on my nails. Now my nails are bad. They're bad shape, not overall good. I would give it a 0, but I can't. So I'm gonna give it a 1. That's not the exact words, but something like that on TikTok. I just have very brittle nails. Like they bend so easily, break, shred, they're awful. And so I can't have long nails for that reason until they start to heal and get a little bit better quality. So I have been trying to take care of them and use like strengthening oils and treatments and things on them. If you have any recommendations, please let me know down below. So on my very stubby short nails, this isn't a good fit. I shouldn't say that. It's not that it doesn't work. It's that it's very messy and I feel like it's not worth how messy it is. However, if you have nails that are longer, this works really well. The firmness of the jelly just like goes right in and creates this perfect clean line for your nail, and it's super easy, not messy at all if you have like longer nails. And it's easy to clean off too. I know it doesn't look very clean right now because I was like playing around with it with my nails. I was like, maybe I can make it work this time. No. So I have to wash it, but again, it's very easy to wash. And when you're doing it as well, if you're not like me and I'm just like dropping it all over, if you just put it on and once it starts to get a little bit more dry, you just stamp it off onto a paper towel or something like that. Clean, fresh and new. This is one of those weird products where you're like, this can't work. Nope, it can. They have a smaller one too on the other side. I don't know why, but they do. So if you're a nail tech, please let me know why there are 2 separate ends. I'm sure it has something to do with the actual purpose of this, which I think has to do with stamping designs, but I could be wrong. As you can see, I am not talented on my nails, but once my nails grow out, you best believe. That's why I've been holding on to this, because I live in the hope that one day my nails will be strong. Now, okay, perfume. Again, I talked about these in my past 2 videos, so I won't go into them in too much depth, but the first one is by Zara. Now, Zara has been touted as sort of the best, like, dupe perfumes that you can find. Search Zara perfume dupes and you will see a list of all of these really expensive, luxurious perfumes that they have a very similar like scent profile to. So this one is the Zara Gardenia one, and it's supposed to be a good dupe for YSL's Black Opal. Not Black Opal, Black Opium. Black Opal is a really nice name for a perfume though. And I found that this one actually lasted longer on my skin. That was one thing that a lot of people were saying, is that the perfume itself doesn't last as long on the skin. But for me, I found this one was more long lasting than the YSL one. And it smells warm, but not in a spiced way. It smells warm and inviting, very luxe, very like coffee-y undernotes. It's vanilla. I don't know. It smells comforting and I really like it. And then the other one, Perfume Talk, constantly talks about in their like top 5 lists. So I like watching videos of people who have these like beautiful perfume collections and they have all of these different scents and they're like, these are the ones that are like the best ever, and people always ask what I'm wearing because it smells so beautiful. And almost every single video includes Ariana Grande's Cloud perfume. And honestly, I get it. It has that same like creaminess to it that like almost smells sweet, but not in a like Bath and Body Works candle kind of sweet, but it's creamy, it's lighter and like fresher than the Gardenia. This is like the night version of this to me. They're probably not at all very similar in undernotes, but it is a really nice fresh scent. It smells really pretty. I think this is actually Chris's favorite scent out of all the ones that I tried this year. And yeah, I really like it. As always, I will link all of the products down below for you. They are affiliate links for the most part. I try and link the US ones as well as Canada where I can. If you choose to use them and click them, if you find them helpful and find any products that you're really excited about, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for supporting the channel and myself and my family. And check out the full playlist of all of the TikTok made me buy videos. I have lots more fun and exciting videos to come for 2022. I'm very excited. Thank you as always for clicking and liking and subscribing. It means a lot to me. Thank you again for joining me, and I will see you next week.